Earn money per click 2022, $500+. The rise of the internet has given tons and tons of opportunities to make money online. Whether you are a student, teacher, a stay-at-home mom, or any individual looking for extra cash, there are many ways to make some bucks. From filling out surveys to sharing your art with the world, learn how to earn extra income in 5 easy ways. Personal introduction. Hi, my name's Sarah, and I want to show you all the amazing ways you can make money online from the comfort of your home. If you're interested in generating some income online, but don't know where to start, this is a video for you. Apart from being able to work remotely without having to transport to the office, working online offers a flexible schedule. It also enables users to establish their place in the local and global market with a low startup cost. Plus, the best part is there are specific methods that don't even require one to sell products. With that being said, here are 5 exciting and quick ways to make money online. 1. Check out Usertestingcom. Imagine earning bucks just for testing websites before their launch. Tons of companies want their websites to function effectively, without hurdles and bugs. A user-friendly website guarantees customers stay and browse the contents. After all, businesses don't want to lose the traffic coming to their website due to a 404 page not found error message. And this is where you come in. By joining Usertestingcom, you get to perform certain tests that usually consist of navigating websites or apps. Once you are done, you are required to record yourself narrating the experience. It takes a single click and a little bit of browsing to add money to your wallet. See, your insights are valuable as they enable companies to improve their websites. Interested? It takes 1 click to sign up on Usertestingcom. Once you are all signed up, verified and ready, you will be required to test out each website. Just follow the directions carefully. Each test asks you to record yourself and answer 4 to 5 questions. The best part is that every 5 to 6 minute test will pay $4. Similarly, taking a 15 to 20 minute test will pay you around $10. Make sure to link your PayPal to store your earnings. Moreover, Usertestingcom provides quick ways to earn money online by enabling users to participate in live conversations. These live meetings consist of real-time feedback. You can make a fantastic amount of $30 for a 30-minute conversation, and even $120 for 120 minutes. Increase your earnings by participating in more discussions. 2. Earn quickly with Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Increase your income with Amazon's famous Mechanical Turk. It's nothing more than doing some quick and easy tasks. Mechanical Turk is Amazon's online marketplace based on the concept that people can perform tasks better than computers. Certain temporary employers, or requesters, categorize human intelligent tasks, known as HITs, that workers can work on and generate income. Such tasks consist of writing content under products, tagging images, participating in studies, and detailing video content on the website. Requesters set the prices, but the amount you earn usually relies on your effort, performance, and time spent effectively completing a task. Those who have used Mechanical Turk as a means of making money label it as a quick and easy method to get paid. Simply sign up and verify your account through your email and follow the instructions to complete tasks. 3. Take surveys or watch videos. Perhaps this has got to be the easiest way to earn money online. Just take surveys and watch videos. Watching videos is something you already do for free. Now imagine getting paid for it. That's what websites like Swagbucks and Cash Crate, Inbox Dollars, and Toluna are here for. They are looking for people who are willing to give their opinions on specific videos and even websites. You can take surveys online to earn cash. The workflow is consistent, and it is a reliable means of making some quick cash. The best part is you can do all the tasks at once, as they require a few minutes and are super easy. All you need to do is take surveys and shop online in exchange for some points or cash, which are easily redeemable through PayPal. You can take surveys and leave comments to state your opinion. It's one of those jobs where your ideas matter more than anything, and you get paid for it. 4. Become a mystery shopper. Do you like writing or reading reviews of businesses? Well, we all know that customer feedback attracts potential customers. A product with the highest rating and ample positive feedback plays a huge role in motivating shoppers to buy it. And if you like the thought of writing positive reviews, well, this job might be for you. See, businesses are already looking for keen writers interested in writing reviews. Share your shopping experience as a satisfied customer and earn a handsome income. These days, with the surge in online shopping and stores, becoming a mystery shopper is far easier, accessible, and exciting than you think. Plus, the rewards are ample. Some companies even send their products for free for you to leave positive comments on their website. Imagine getting up from your bed to leave a positive comment on a website. How cool and easy is that? And you can rest easy because the rewards are super handsome. There are tons of businesses teeming with opportunities for you to avail yourself. All you are required to sign up with companies through Fiverr or other similar websites. The clients will literally pay you to visit a versatile number of shops and restaurants to leave positive feedback. Your experience and report on how the companies are performing will generate ample income for you and benefits for the company. It's a win-win situation. See, becoming a mystery shopper is far easier than you think, and it is a super quick way to earn money online. Moreover, there is yet another way to become a mystery shopper. Enter tasking apps. In the tasking application, you are required to complete small tasks that range from local to global, and the rewards are super worth the effort. Completing missions and earning quick money through these tasking apps is easy and fun. 5. Just Google it. This must be the most accessible, fastest, and most exciting means to earn money online. What you may ask? Just Google, Bing, Yahoo, or Amazon it. Imagine searching particular stuff, terms, businesses, websites, products, and videos online and getting paid for it. It is no secret that this medium is one of the easiest ways to earn money ever. How to do it? Well, simply add your email and password to sign up on QMe.com. It is a simple browser extension that pays you to search on any search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo, or online stores such as Amazon and eBay for versatile products and things. Simply install a simple browser extension. There will be sponsored results showing alongside your typical search results. For every QMe result, a cash reward is attached to make this journey super exciting and worthwhile for you. The best part is that if you like a cash reward, you can claim it by clicking on it and collecting it. What's more, you can even complete surveys to earn cash. QMe thrives in the cutthroat competition of the online world by putting no limit on cash out, no minimum on anything. You can earn $30 to $140 even on your very first try. Plus, there is even an option for donating your earnings to charity. With that being said, QMe is free, and you can sign up and start collecting money from your searches. Wrapping up, as we have walked through various ways in the video, there are many methods to earn money online. Certain websites even pay you to type people's names. Imagine how easy and fun it is to simply type in some names and earn $15. Suffice to say, whether you are a student looking for work part-time or an individual in need of some quick income, making money online has got to be an easy way. We hope you liked this video.